Jameson with Loftus International. Today we're going to teach you guys how to make this Christmas column, where it's a holly sort of look with a Santa head. I'm 6'1", so look how tall this thing is. It's almost probably close to 7 feet tall. So it's very nice, very impressive, and it's almost all air. So let's start off. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to my cool air inflator. You could certainly do this with a handheld inflator. I like using the cool air because it's just so much quicker. So I'm going to inflate this 100%. And I'm going to tie it to my water weight. Wrap it a couple of times so it doesn't untie itself. And tie it on there. Okay. 2 more quick links. Inflate those all the way. Sorry, inflate those all the way. Okay, so then I'll take this, make sure, and make sure to wrap them a couple of times. Tie them together. Let's do one more. Backwards somewhere. Okay. So we have the column part. The 4 11-inch. I'm going to blow these up to an 8-inch size. What I want to do is I want to overinflate these, because as I deflate them, it makes them a little more pliable, makes it less of a chance to have be popped and kids to mess them up. Two down to 8-inch. Let's twist them a few times. Let's tie it together. There's one duplet. Second duplet. So we'll take the duplets, cross the necks, and then twist 2 balloons together so they're locked. Next, I'll take the water balloon weight and the quick link. I'm going to put the water balloon weight underneath. I'm going to wrap that around that quad that we did a couple times. We've got it standing right there. Now, let's take this Santa foil. Okay, I am going to fill this with 100% helium to get that buoyancy to hold up the column that we have there. Now that we're done, we're going to do a sleeping bag roll with the 260. What I do is I place the 260 over the neck and just roll that up until it's right up next to the body of the balloon. Let's tie that, and I'm going to put a second knot in there too. Okay, now I'm going to take the neck of the quick link and this 260, wrap them a couple of times, and let's tie it. Let's tie it twice just to make sure it's on there good. I don't know if I can do this.
Where are the scissors? Where are the scissors?
Scissors.
Scissors.
I usually wear these around my neck.
Hope you don't fall.
Well, I always get child safety ones that have the round edges on it, and they're about this tall, so there's very few chances of me hurting myself. All right, so next we got our 5-inch. What we're going to do is we're going to hide the mechanics of the column of all the knots. So let's take these, and I'm going to do 2 full pumps. We'll use this as our template and to do this. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we have 2 duplets. Cross the necks, twist. Let's go down here. We want to hide the mechanics in that part of the balloon, so we're going to slide it through. And there's the V that we set those between. We're going to twist those 2 to lock it on there. And we'll repeat that 2 more times. We have the last 2 duplets. We'll make our quad. And we'll finish this off between the foil and the top. And that gives us a holly Santa column.